Hello, I'm Amelia Hruby, and this is my tiny tarot practice. This is a short episode welcoming you to season 3 of the show, where we'll be exploring the suit of cups and the minor arcana of the tarot. If you're joining me live, it is summer 2023, and I have not shared an episode in over 6 months. This year has been beautiful and challenging and unexpected and joyful. And I have not found the time to return to my tarot practice, to return to making these episodes for you. But it is the middle of summer, and I cannot think of a better time to dive into the cool, refreshing, warm, tepid, boiling waters of cups with all of you. The cups are the suit of feelings, emotions, intuition, creativity, spirituality, connection, relationships. They have everything to do with our inner selves and experiences, as well as, I think, our subconscious, our unconscious, our collective consciousness. The cups are the suit of the heart in many interpretations of the tarot, and I'm really excited to dive into this heart space together as we walk through the cups from Ace to King. I really love how Rachel Pollack describes the cups when she says that while fire symbolizes what we do, water stands for what we are. And she reminds us that the cups signify an inner experience that flows rather than defines, that opens rather than restricts. So far on this show, I've explored the suits of wands and of pentacles, which are related to fire and earth, respectively. And in those suits, we have so much energy, so much doing, and then so much impact of the doing in the material world. And I'm really happy to be shifting the mood, perhaps changing the pace, taking a different path together as we explore the cups this season. Again, if you're listening as these episodes release, it is summertime in the Northern Hemisphere. And I think that the cups are fitting for summer because summer is a season where we feel a lot of things, but maybe don't do so much, at least for me. And I think that that is the shadow side of the cups, the magic of the cups as well. Our shadow side always holds its gold. And that golden shadow is about passivity. If we really need to do something, to change something, to act, the cups perhaps are not the medicine for that. But if you, like me, are a chronic overworker, overachiever, always doing the thing at every possible moment, I think the cups is exactly the medicine that we need, much like summer is the medicine that we need, even when it can feel sticky, uncomfortable, challenging, unfamiliar to us. Personally, I find summer to be my least favorite season every year because it always foils my plan for getting things done. And the cups are tarot's medicine to remind me that not every moment of life is about doing something. Instead, we can relax into, we can sink into, we can swim among the magic of the cups, and we can be who we're meant to be. And discover who we're meant to be, not through doing, but through receiving. Thank you so much for listening to my tiny tarot practice. Thank you for joining me for season 3 to explore the cups, the suit of water. If you're new to this show, the way it works is that I share one episode per card of the minor arcana. They are always less than 10 minutes, sometimes less than 5 minutes, meant to be a simple practice, reminder, meditation on a card that I'm discovering as I build my own interpretations of the minor arcana of tarot. I am not a tarot expert. I do not sell tarot readings. I am not a tarot professional. I am an amateur exploring the cards alongside you. I am a professional podcaster, hence why there is a podcast alongside my explorations. But if you'd like to learn more, I highly encourage you to head to the show notes and head to my bookshop page where you can find many, many resources by professional readers and tarot experts. They are the people that I learn from and that I share sometimes in these episodes. Head to that link, get yourself some books and decks that I recommend. If you make a purchase there, I will receive a small affiliate payment. And that's how you can not only learn more about tarot for yourself, but also support me continuing to make this show. Again, thank you for joining me for my tiny tarot practice. I'm Amelia Hruby, and I can't wait to explore the cups with you in season 3 of this podcast.